Welcome to Politricks Watch. This is RP. Now, today, going to be a short video, but it's really a clip more on the PC because when I did the video talking about Rave after C-Talk wall upon him, right, the video wasn't very clear. They didn't say Rave is known to be very elusive. Really look like now he's starting to embrace the video light more. I was showing a video clip from one of them fans them. Yes, because when you're a quote unquote down in the Iron Man, especially when time, you're one of the more, big time wealthier than them, you have your fans them. Right? Just like if you're a celebrity, if you're an actor or a sports star or a DJ, Dan's in Iron Man, right? Have fans. One of the reasons why enough youth aspire to be a Dan. Because they want the same ratings and the same adoration from people. I will play a video clip. This is recent. And I will say updated video / image of one of your favorite Dan them, Rave from 90s. Before we go into that, I have two things. The first one is a Patreon birthday. This one goes out to J Balance. J Balance, right, is one of the first 300 subscribers to the movement. One of the first 300. I don't even need to tell you how long ago that. Them time there, I was an infant, right, YouTuber, not even local YouTuber, infant YouTuber. Early days of bad minding scammers and making up things to get views. From them time there, J Balance, right, I support the movement. They may not become all Patreon members. So J Balance, do that especially, big up yourself. Right. Hope you enjoy it. Right. Hope you get all the best life of the offer. Big up yourself, big up your family. More life seen. Second thing, before we play the Rave clip. This Sunday, when you see how early me announce this, when you see me start announce the Sunday video from so early, when you know say, right, it's because you don't want to miss it. Remember the Douglas Chambers murder? That's the JUTC boss. The one that one of your other favorite Dan them, Tesha, right, was convicted for. By now you should know, Black man was on that shooting. He went personally because back then, right, Black man wasn't the Dan from the faction in the clan. And it's still a work with Tesha system at the time. But Black man was on that killing personally. Right. But the other people them, let's just say they are also interesting figures. On Sunday, we will cover one more of them. This Sunday coming in another year, but a 87 that is well known to the platform. When you hear me talk about him before, he was there, but in no media release, nowhere in the mainstream news, nowhere at all, his name get mentioned as being a part of the shooting. And I will find out who this Sunday. You don't want to miss it. We're also going to touch on some other things relating to that case, because it's really spooky. If it was up to your favorite judge, would I walk? We're not going to see why on Sunday. Make a move on to Rave. Now, by now, you should know about Rave. Your favorite artist sing about him in a song. This man from 90s and Rave out here and sitting like so. Well, he's known to be very elusive. Then we hear say, C-Talk wall upon him, big operation. Too much gun and then tie back to Rave. Was arrested. Well, him get bail. As expected, I mean, regular 87s I get bail, of course Rev I get bail. But understand, Rev is living it up. The past Easter weekend in Ireland, there were some big parties, all over the place, all over Ireland. Some of them are Ninja and Dave party them. Yeah, the same Ninja and Dave from Puss in Boost video, and Nigel and all that. But Rev was having fun, and look like one of them fans them spot him. Right, I wish I could play the video, but I wish I could play the audio. I could play the video, but I can't play the audio because the World Sprat song I play, this man from 90s, so so that could cause copyright issue already. Right? But you're hearing time the youth call out like, him see my idol. Rev! 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 Now, one time, if you did ball out Rev and point the camera towards him, and things might get spooky, but it look like nowadays Rev is, enjoying himself. He's a bit more relaxed than maybe the person, right, where, ball out, Rev! Rev! Maybe I smart him now, but let me say, Rev was very camera shy and was trying to avoid the video light certain way. Look like them days they're gone. So, as you can see on your screen, that right there is Rev from 90s. One of your favorite than them. You see, Rev is many of your favorite artists, disc jockeys, producers, done. Right. Matter of fact, it wouldn't be far-fetched to say. Right. Across Ireland, Rev is probably most man, quote unquote, done when in the entertainment industry. Enough of the man them where you see in the music will tell you say Rev are them done. I'm responsible for enough, man. I'm saying enough of your favorite celebrities then. Right. Even the one them say them a TikTok, they will TikTok from Rev. Right. The one them tell you say them a kingpin and them money tall and them this and them that. Well, they money not tall like Rev. So, them end up, I guess, fall in line when them around him. But enough of them look up to Rev. Right. He's like their, their ideal kingpin for Ireland. That is why, every time I see C-Tac hold on upon him, I thought to myself, look like they must start to run some serious high-level operations. Normally, dons of Rev status normally get targeted because the thing with Rev is, unlike a Tesha or a Black Man, right, or a Zeeks or a Dodos, right, you don't normally hear Rev name call, right, with violence, right. That's because he usually distance himself. There's normally 3-4 layers separating Rev from any kind of crime and violence. So because of that, right, him kind of escape enough of the attention over the years. I'm telling you already say, it's really when the name call upon all upon murders, that's when you speed up. Right, your downfall are done in Ireland. That is what reached Black Man, him just too destructive. So when I think about Donship in Ireland, I will talk about, the more big time than them, the true 90 octanes them. Now we're not talking about the man who just run one lane and run one corner. We talk about like the full time, 90 octane, the true definition of a quote unquote Dan. You can split them up in like 2 different groups. You have the full of money, right, distance themselves and do things from afar, right, Dan. And you have the hands-on, grimy, name call for murder every week, Dan. That's the 2 ways to separate them. With a killing, death and destruction, right, it doesn't look good for your favorite leaders. So them start to come under pressure now. Even if at first the MP work with it done, even if the councillor work with it done, right, as they often do, right, once too much people start dead, it starts to reflect poorly upon them. Right, first election time will come. Right. So, if we get to a point where they done have to go, right, bad for business, bad for politics. Right. But if the Dan does remain in the background, make a bag of money, share some of the money with their favorite politicians, Then he can do all the crime he want. All the crime he want. He can wash the money over here, so sell unicorns, do all kind of things. So I was very surprised when time I see him all up on Rave, but let him get bail. I mean, look on your screen. Does that look like somebody who thinks they're going to prison? Does Rave look like he's concerned about getting convicted? Him can barely convict yet his steps. Me really want to see what them about convict Rave. Clearly Rave is enjoying himself. Him probably know, just like most of them probably know. That case probably not gonna win. But like we see, maybe them prove me wrong. But Rev very popular than Carlton at the gym. I work out 7 days a week. 6-pack, 7-pack, 8-pack abs. Still can't take a carry from Rev. That's how the game go. As him said, don't hate the player, hate the game. That's why Carlton need to focus on Maybelline because after Rev done spoil her with theme bag of spending now, Carlton will come in now and I tell her, say, why this month things kinda slow, so this thing a year. She upset. Carlton I want now him losing girl to somebody look like they can't do 2 push-up. Well, in them game there, your bank account the push-up. And your clout the push-up. Because remember, artists not sing song about Carlton. So you wanna go out and she go hear this man from 90s and then she go hear about Rev outed. All of a sudden she look over and see Rev. The eagle get wet up. Next thing you know, she gone with Rev. Just cause him never listen. Find a Maybelline, bro. You can't save Kerry. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.